How 360 worthy. Hold on. Good morning. Boom, shakalaka, shakalaka. Shaka boom. The Galaxy Max. Thank you so much, babe. You're amazing. Appreciate you. I own my own resale business. It's right here in my shop. Over here behind me. So I do like Yeti bags, boots, clothes. I just got in a bunch of new different brands. So the mail lady and FedEx and UPS hate me. But, you know, here we are. From North Florida. Y'all tap that screen and share the live out for me. Good morning. Welcome in. If you haven't hit your daily heart me with me, go ahead and hit those. Add me to Snap if you haven't added me already. DK Tatted Mama is pinned on the screen for you. Yeah, it definitely is. It's a lot of work, though. Thank you for that heart me and Grumpy. Good morning, babe. It's definitely a lot of work. When you build a wall for your kitchen and then you can't see, I'm like, I can't see. And I don't know. Y'all, has anybody ever did like anybody ever did like concrete countertops? 360. Let's hit that future journey for a 360, y'all. Dance party. What's up, Ghostface? How have you been? Girl, stop digging holes. Little nasty thing. She's a brat. Thank you. It's a romper. I'll get on my protein shake. Good morning, good morning. Guys, if you haven't followed me, yeah, go follow me on Twitter. It's fun there. Follow me on Facebook. I love it there. Thank you for all the shares. Share it out, share it out. Good morning. Show the love. We love that here. So we're super excited about our new Endeavor building, y'all. Okay, like it's massive. So I look really tiny in it, but we are. Let me see if I am. You're very happy to meet me. Thank you. See how big it is? She's massive. Like right now we're in construction zone part still. So we are in the construction part of this right now.